did it, Raiden? Show me. Raiden, show me who did it. She kind of bad though. Is that Frost?
A few moments later.
This guy's trash. Man, shut up. Ew. Hey, yo, chill! Come here, I wanna eat you! Beautiful King Verity, my handsome Verity, could you please forgive us? No! Please, bro. I'll insert something in your mouth.
You what?